Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can install Postman on your Windows PC. So, let's see how we can download Postman on our Windows computer. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type Postman download and hit enter. Now, click on the first search result. It should be the official Postman website, postman.com. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're on Windows, click on the Windows 64-bit button. Next, choose where you want to save the installer file. The download will start. Just wait until it's complete. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. To install Postman, double-click on the installer file. The installation process will begin. Just be patient, it might take a few moments. And there you go. As you can see, Postman is now successfully installed on your computer and ready to use. You've successfully installed Postman on Windows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.